Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure M1 Finance to switch from manual to automated, full guide step by step clearly. To configure M1 Finance to switch from manual to automated, start by opening the M1 Finance app on your device. Log into your M1 Finance account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to your portfolio overview. Look for the Manage button, typically located at the top right of the screen. Tap on Manage to access your portfolio settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Automation section. Click on the Automation option to view automation settings. You will see options for automatic rebalancing and auto-investing. To enable automated investing, toggle the switch to the on position. Next, review your investment preferences. You can specify how much you want to invest automatically. Set your investment schedule according to your preferences, whether that's weekly or monthly. Now, look for the Rebalance option. Enable automatic rebalancing by toggling the switch to on. This feature will help maintain your desired asset allocation. After adjusting your settings, review the changes to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, save your changes by tapping the Save button. You will receive a confirmation that your settings have been updated. Finally, monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure that the automation is functioning as expected. With these steps, you are now successfully configured from manual to automated investing on M1 Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.